So in this video, I'm going to um, talk about how to solve this exponential equation. So it is 27 to the power of x is equal to 1 over x. Of course, x should be not equal to 0, or else the right side will be undefined. So what is the value of x? Except for x is 0. Of course, x should not be equal to 0. So the first thing to do is to transfer this x to the other side because we want those unknown variables to be in the same side. So to do that, we are going to take or put an exponent in both sides. So we're gonna put an exponent in both sides so that x will be cancelled out. So you can do this because it's fine to do this as long as you are doing it in both sides. So let me put a parenthesis for both sides. Okay, so since you're doing it in both sides, so the equation is still equal. You didn't alter the value. So now we know that x times 1 over x, we cancel. We are going to cancel the x, and what's left is only 1. So the same thing here, the excess will be cancelled. So what's left is 27 to the power of 1. Or just simply 27 because it's just the same as 27 to the power of 1. Well, on the other side, it is now having an exponent of 1 over x, which is similar to itself. So how do we solve now the x if it's like this? So what you're going to do is to find a way that both sides are having the same format. So since if you look at this, it is having the same base and exponent. So you have to find a way that this will be also having the same base and exponent. So that's one clue to solve this. So the best way to do that is to change this into 3 to the power of an exponent. So why did I choose 3? Because 27 is a multiple of 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So that's 9. And then if you times it with 3, it will be 27. So that means you have to multiply the 3. So it will appear 3 times. And that means you have the exponent 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So now we have achieved our goal, that we are able to make it in the same format that the bases. So if you look at the base and the exponent, they're the same. Base and the exponent are the same. And that's what we are after. So what are we going to do after that? So since we know that the base are the same, so we're going to continue by making an equation. So that means that the 3 is equal to 1 over x. Same with the base and the exponent. And then solve for x. So to solve that, we are going to cross multiply, or you can just multiply x in both sides so that we can cancel this x. And there's no more denominator x, because what we are after is to put the x on the numerator. So 3 times x is 3x. Well, on the other side, it's only 1 left. Now we still have 3 at the side of x, so we want to remove that there because we only want x to be alone in one side. So we can cancel this. So we divide by 3 on both sides. So what's left is x. So x is equal to 1/3. And that's the answer.